straight from the jewelry consultations to what sort of makeup she's going to opt for. We explain them about the product quality.
Investing, rather studying for more than 3 years, into a deep degree and getting that knowledge.
Yeah.
And just getting knowledge for 1 month and practicing is different.
Right. A professional artist or an educator in this field, you need to have your basics clear. And you need to have 100%
line है, journey है. From the day of your preparation till the wedding day, वो कैसे होनी चाहिए?
We definitely start with the consultations first.
Professionals का आगे थोड़ा सा job risk में है.
Yes.
हो सकता है कि यार आप एक दिन में from zero to hero हो जाओगे. ऐसा हो सकता है?
हो सकता है.
Alright people, one more time welcome back to the new episode of People Pratik and Podcast. That's P3 for you all. और आज एक स्पेशल माइंडसेट के बारे में हम सीखने वाले हैं. दैट इज यशस्वी कोहली. स्पेशली लेट मी इनटू ब्रैकेट, इट्स अ जेन ज़ी माइंडसेट. सो आई थिंक सो शी इज द यंगेस्ट गेस्ट टू कम ओवर द प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ P3. और बहुत सारी बातें हम यहाँ पर करने वाले हैं. एंड स्पेशली गोइंग टू बी स्पेशली फॉर द ब्राइडल्स, क्योंकि वी हैव यशस्वी जिन्होंने उनको BSc किया है इनटू ब्यूटी, इनटू हेल्थ फ्रॉम Symbiosis. And also she's a professional into, when it comes to makeup for models, for pictures and for many other things. So, Yashasri, what's up? कैसे चल रहा है सब?
Hello.
Welcome to this podcast.
Yes.
और बहुत कुछ आज बातें करने वाले हैं. Especially, it's good to sit with a Gen Z. ये पहले बार हो रहा है शायद कि जब हम बातें कर रहे हैं.
Yes.
With such a young, dynamic personality. So, how is the journey going on?
It's a roller coaster, to be honest, but it's going great.
Superb. So ये जो कुछ है जहाँ पर हम बैठे हैं, this is the YK studio, जहाँ पर consultation होता है.
Yes.
We have lot of clients coming in, especially the grooms, the brides.
Yeah.
है ना, वो 6 महीने पहले ही आते हैं.
Yes.
They do the consultation with you. So what exactly is the process? क्योंकि एक जमाना आता था, हम जानते थे, सुनते थे कि मेकअप आर्टिस्ट आते थे शादी के दिन पर, टच अप मेकअप एंड दैट्स ओवर. बट व्हेन आई स्पोक विद हर, ऐसा समझ में आया कि 6 महीने पहले से तैयारी शुरू होती है.
Yes.
क्या होता है एग्जैक्टली?
Basically, brides and grooms nowadays, I mean the Gen Z couple wants to look their best on the wedding days, and they have lots of mood boards and aesthetic plans.
ओके.
So ये जो सारा प्लान होता है ये ऑलरेडी उन्होंने, because everyone has visualized their dream of their wedding that this is what I want to look. So ये जो सारा planning है, straight from the styling, her skin, her health consultations, everything happens at the studio, where we guide the bride straight from the jewelry consultations to what sort of makeup she is going to opt for. We explain them about the product quality, the vanity which we are going to use on her, and all these things happens in that 4-5 months.
ओह, सो ये जो सब चीजें हैं जो आपने मेंशन की, ये एवरीडे बेसिस पे थॉरली उनको फॉलो करनी पड़ती है?
No, we take the follow up in like twice. We take the follow up in like twice or thrice a month. It's more than enough.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Okay, so हर 3 महीने में 3 महीने तक आप उनका फॉलो अप लेते हो?
Yes. I mean, if she is done finalizing her outfits, फिर उनका jewelry part किधर तक आया है, if she needs any of my help in the guidance, what sort of jewelry she should style on her outfits, depending on the neckline and everything. So we do that as well. So ये सारे consultation होते हैं, which then gives her the perfect look what she wanted on her wedding day.
Okay, that's great. अच्छा यार, आजकल की बढ़ती कंपटीशन में ऐसा होता है यशस्वी कि बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं when it comes to the artist and makeup artists also.
Yes.
तो यार मतलब ब्राइड या ग्रूम ने कैसे पिकअप करना चाहिए कि या शी इज द वन और ही इज द वन की द परफेक्ट टीम टू बी फॉर माय मेकअप? हाउ दे शुड सिलेक्ट? Can you just guide us about the process? क्योंकि बहुत सारे brides हैं जो ये एपिसोड देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर.
Yes.
तो it will really help them.
Yeah. So basically, choosing a right artist is a investment. Because you have to choose someone who is going to show up for you, who is going to be available for you, who is able to match your aesthetics and your style. Because no matter what the artist is going through, she or he has to show up for the bride. Because what happens is, brides and grooms are already very confused.
Right.
They are into the wedding chaos. They are completely stuck in all those situations, and you are the only person who is going to make the bride feel comfortable around you. So your energy, your rapport, what you build with the client matters a lot. So you have to pick someone who is going to help you with all those scenarios. And I often see brides do fall for the visibility and followers as well, but not everyone is ready to show up for them. So,
राइट और वैसे भी एक बात है ना कि सपोज जैसे आपने बीएससी किया है यू नो investing rather studying for more than 3 years you know into a deep degree and gaining that knowledge and just getting knowledge for 1 month and practicing is different.
Right, not even 1 month.
1 week का master class
yeah,
होता है.
1 week master class.
So what exactly is the difference? मतलब आपने इतनी मेहनत की है, you have studied a lot.
Yeah.
What exactly do you guys learn into that particular degree?
See, basically I've completed my BSc in Beauty and Wellness from Symbiosis Skills and Professional University. So we used to have lots of theory knowledge in that. I mean, straight from the skin analysis, cosmetology, till the makeup artistry part. Then there was nutritional sciences and dietetics, food sciences, every sort of subjects we had in that syllabus. So if you want to be a professional stylist, a professional artist, or an educator in this field, you need to have your basics clear. And you need to have 100% of knowledge so that you can come up, show up, and then you can teach your students like that.
राइट क्योंकि है ना क्लाइंट्स यही बात देखते कि नहीं यार इफ यू आर चार्जिंग 1 लाख रुपीज है जस्ट एग्जांपल के द्वारा और कुछ लोग हैं दे आर चार्जिंग 50,000 तो समथिंग नहीं यार 50,000 के साथ जाएंगे बट ब्राइड्स को ये बात जाननी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि गाइस सी they are experts who have learned for 3-4 years and have practiced more than that.
Yes.
So sometimes pricing does not matter. Matters is कि यार कितना experience है, कितना knowledge है. क्योंकि brides and the groom they have only 1 day, 2 दिन होते हैं. If you consider haldi, संगीत, मेहंदी and the final day reception वरमाला. तो वो दिन बार बार तो नहीं आएगा
बार
and if they look at the amount then it's gone. वो फिर आउटपुट भी अलग दिखता है बट विद प्रोफेशनल द थिंग इज डिफरेंट. तो यार यशस्वी बीइंग अ जेन ज़ी आप मेहनत करते हो वेडिंग सीजन में भाग दौड़ करते हो तो यार वो एग्जॉशन होता है ना बर्नआउट हाउ डू यू मैनेज दोस थिंग्स?
See, there are going to be times where you will left with 0 clients, 0 visibility, nothing is going to work out. But definitely my degree and the subjects which I have studied, the business management, entrepreneurship development, all these things comes into rescue for me. I mean, I know how to tackle this situation right now, how to deal with all these things and how to show up again with lots of creative ideas, shoots and everything. So we have to show up no matter what.
Exactly. So we'll you know just put it in a different way with the same question. ये ब्राइड्स के साथ भी होता होगा. क्योंकि होता क्या है कि राइट स्टार्टिंग फॉर द बैचलर्स पार्टी 3 महीने की शॉपिंग घूमना यू नो डिनर्स होते हैं मीट एंड ग्रीट सेशंस होते हैं पहले फैमिली मेंबर्स के साथ इवन दे गेट एग्जॉस्टेड. सो व्हाट डू यू सजेस्ट टू द ब्राइड एंड द ग्रूम कि यार आपका जो टाइम लाइन है जर्नी है फ्रॉम द डे ऑफ योर प्रिपरेशन टिल द वेडिंग डे वो कैसे होनी चाहिए?
We definitely start with the consultations first. The consultation where we get to know the client, what is her vision and how are you going to work on that. तो ये जो सारा प्लानिंग है इसमें I do consult, as I told you I've done my BSc in Beauty and Wellness, so here even the wellness part comes into rescue. As you mentioned कि they are doing continuous shopping, they are continuously stuck in the management things of their wedding, so there are chances of inflammation, bloating, acne, burnouts, breakouts that happens to the brides and grooms, and then they feel like if they are taking dermat treatments, a quick peeling, a quick hydra facial is going to fix everything.
No.
So this is not how it works. Definitely they should follow a proper diet, a proper skincare regimen which we provide them here at our studio, and the consultations we do provide them all these things as well. Plus उनका जो styling and all है उस सबका take care हम बहुत अच्छे से करते हैं. My team is involved in this. The hairstylist, drapist, photographers, everyone are involved. So we make sure कि ये जो plannings है ये 2-3 months prior उनके functions की हो जाती है हमारे पास. I mean then they are also stress free, and ये जो सारे time में वो हमारे पास visit करते हैं, definitely there is a rapport build up, there is definitely a bond we share together, and later they feel comfortable with us.
Okay.
Yeah.
और एक बहुत important बात है जो मैंने बहुत देखी इवेंट्स में, हल्दी के वक्त एक अलग मूड होता है, संगीत के वक्त ब्राइड्स ग्रूम्स का एक अलग मूड होता है. Why the mood changes most of the times is दो चीजें मैंने जो देखी है. First is time management. कि यार 7 का इवेंट है, 7 को सेलिब्रेशन शुरू करना है, and it's already 7:40 when still things are going on.
Yes.
And what happens is the bride or groom, along with them, the family also wibbles.
Yes.
They get वो panic button on हो जाता है.
Yes.
And they start getting irritated.
Yes.
तो यार इनका जो मूड है वो कैसे उन्होंने टैकल करना चाहिए? What should be the right attitude of the two important personalities during such crunch situations?
Time management. There should be a proper time management. क्योंकि as a artist also we have given them a proper time from our end. कि ये टाइम पे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द लुक, एंड आपका जो फोटोग्राफर का रेडी कंटेंट टाइम है वो आप हमें एज योर रेडी टाइम दो, सो दैट देयर विल बी नो इन बिटवीन रश हैपनिंग, एंड यू विल गेट प्रॉपर टाइम फॉर योर कंटेंट क्रिएशन पार्ट, because that is the most important part after the makeup and everything. Right. So I think they should be a little bit punctual enough about the timings. They should consider about the cinematographers, photographers, artists also, those who are working with them, because what happens is उधर जब event में late हो जाता है तो the pressure is on us then.
Right.
So even we can't manage doing all these professional things, the full glam makeup and everything in like 30-40 minutes then.
Right.
So yeah.
Because ये जो chain है ना वो बहुत खतरनाक chain होती है. Why? For the audience also. Because being into the event industry, I know कि अगर bride और groom late होते हैं तो मेकअप लेट होता है.
Yes.
मेकअप लेट होता है तो वीडियोग्राफर्स, द फिल्म मेकर्स, उनका डिले हो जाता है. वो डिले हो जाता है तो 7:30 का इवेंट गोज टू 8:30.
राइट.
8:30 का इफेक्ट ऐसा होता है कि राइट स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द इवेंट टीम, द कोऑर्डिनेटर्स, द डीजेस, द डांस फ्लोर्स, द परफॉर्मर्स, द परफॉर्मेंसेस, ये भी कट शॉर्ट हो सकते हैं.
Yes.
तो इट्स अ चेन रिएक्शन. थोड़ा ही डिले पूरा इवेंट हैम्पर हो जाता है.
राइट.
So it's very important to be on the time. That is the basic timeline.
Yes.
अच्छा, और जैसे मैंने आपके साथ we were discussing कि संगीत के लिए एक अलग मेकअप है, वरमाला के लिए एक अलग मेकअप है.
Yes.
तो what is the difference between all the 4 times का मेकअप?
The venue and the time only matters
Okay.
while choosing the base and everything.
Okay.
If it is a day event, you definitely go for a less coverage stuff. If it is a night event, then the look has to be glamorous, the look has to be a little loud and out of the box.
Oh.
So yeah, according to the events and everything, we do customize the looks accordingly.
Okay. So along with the makeup, you carry like you have your own the own stylist also with you? या ये आपकी जो टीम है इसमें कितने members होते हैं?
4 to 5 people.
Achha, and what are the roles?
There are hairstylists,
Okay.
there are drapists, there are assistant artists, and 1 or 2 of the junior artists who helps us with
Okay.
everything. Yeah.
So it's a complete unit going
Yes.
on behind them.
Yeah.
Oh, बहुत ही मेहनत वाला काम है, right? I know, because आपके मेहनत पे ही वो ब्राइड और रूम के पिक्चर्स भी अच्छे आने वाले हैं.
Yes, and that memories are going to last with her for rest of her life. So that has to be perfect.
ओके.
Yeah.
सो जैसे आप ब्राइडल मेकअप करते हो, ग्रूम्स का भी कुछ अलग होता है, काइंड ऑफ द मेकअप एंड एवरीथिंग?
Yeah, we do give a proper normal grooming to the grooms as well.
Okay.
I mean, we make sure the skin is properly prepped and ready for the camera lenses. And a little bit of hair touch-ups and everything is provided to them as well. Because even the groom needs to get attention.
Exactly. So what is the one suggestion you would like to give to the beginners? क्योंकि आजकल इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सारे यूथ्स हैं, जेनजी स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो इसमें उनका करियर परस्यू करना चाह रहे हैं.
Okay.
तो what is the one suggestion that you would like to give?
See, it is a very tough field. It is very
Tiring.
very tiring field, and you have to be very strong enough if you're choosing this field because it's बाहर से तो ऐसे दिख के आता है कि it's just
Easy.
makeup and everything. The glam world will be glamorous, but it is not glamorous. You have to show up every day. Basically, the message I would like to give to the beginner artist is like, don't fall for the followers. Don't fall for what people are just selling you, because this is going to be a tough field. This is going to be a tough career. And though it is glam field, glam world, but there are lots of things happening in the back end. You have to be professional enough. You have to have a business mindset for this. And I think you should learn from a professional, because definitely your 5-6 days masterclass is not going to come in
Teach you
rescue,
everything, yeah.
where there will be off seasons, where you will left with 0 clients. There definitely that masterclass is not going
This
to
is a very interesting patch ना,
Yeah.
कि जब ऑफ सीजन होता है तो what do you guys do? मतलब हर एक आर्टिस्ट का कुछ ना कुछ अलग प्लान होता है कि
Yes.
यार ऑफ सीजन में ये करने वाला
Yeah.
हूँ. Like for us, we go outdoors for outdoor shoots and everything.
Yeah.
क्योंकि events नहीं होते
Events नहीं
during the rainy season.
Yes.
आपका क्या होता है उसमें प्लान?
So we basically work with brands at that time.
Oh,
Yeah.
interesting,
So
huh?
we do hoarding shoots, creative direction, and everything for jewelers and designers. Same, the bridal field only we work in.
Okay.
I mean, these are professional bridal designers and jewelers. So we work on hoarding shoots, we work on models, we do all the commercial sort
अच्छा.
of shoots.
मतलब ये ज्वेलरी के जो हम बैनर्स देखते हैं,
Yes.
होर्डिंग्स देखते हैं,
Yeah.
उनके साथ आप काम करते हो?
Yes, right.
अच्छा, so okay, so अगर for suppose एक beginner को उनके साथ कोलैब करना है, तो what are the skills that is exactly required उनके इसमें?
Your pitch. Your pitch has to be very strong. You should be capable enough of convincing a brand that you are going to deliver all the professional stuff, whatever the brand requires from you, straight from the cinematography part till the portfolios which they are going to use on the hoardings. So all these things matters, and brands usually don't get convinced easily. You have to be very strong with your background. You have to be very strong with your skills to
With
get
your
that
portfolio.
sort of work. Yes, your portfolio matters a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So Yashashree, I mean it's an achievement ना
Yeah.
कि you're a Gen Z.
Yeah.
You have just completed the course और इतना बड़ा सेटअप आपने खुद खड़ा किया है ये सब कुछ.
Yes.
तो first of all, congratulations to you for
Thank
this.
you. Thank you.
And you're doing really good into this.
Yeah.
तो इतने जल्दी आपने अचीव किया है. How was your experience?
So I always wanted to do this, and because of that only things were very much clear for me, and इसी वजह से things were very much clear कि मुझे यही field में जाना है and I want to pursue this career only. So yeah, it all started with a small dream of doing makeup and everything. Interested.
ये जो आपका ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हुआ था, राइट, स्टार्टिंग जब आपने कॉलेज खत्म किया, योर बीएससी,
Yeah.
and you got a good success after that, after working with different clients for
Yes.
a few years.
Yeah.
And directly such a big setup, यार.
Yeah.
First of all, congratulations for this. क्योंकि
Thank
Gen Z
you.
बहुत लोगों को टाइम लगता है अचीव करने में.
Yes. Yeah.
तो आपको कैसा लगा था कि यार मैंने तो कर दिखाया?
I was confident enough कि यही करना है, यही field में I want to make my career. And now that I have this degree, now that I am capable enough of doing all these things, so I started planning everything that I want my own setup, I want my own studio, and gradually things happened.
Gradually things happen.
Yes.
Good. आपने बहुत सारे फिल्म स्टार्स या मॉडल्स के साथ काम किया
Yeah.
होगा, है ना?
Yes.
तो ऐसा हमने सुना है, देखा भी है कि उनका एक अलग ऑरा या अलग एटीट्यूड होता है.
Yes.
So how you guys handle them? मतलब कुछ होता है ऐसे कि how to deal with these celebrities? Like you can't be friendly with everybody.
Yes, you have to be very professional with
Okay.
them. You have to be very professional with them, and gradually what happens is working with them, shooting with them also brings you that sort of targeted audience, that sort of brides. So yeah, it helps you a lot, but say in such we don't get any
अच्छा, experience.
yeah, weird experience, yeah.
Oh, great. और you have been to Bombay, models, ramp walks किए हैं. So fashion shows की अगर हम बात करें, तो what is the basic difference or the huge difference between the bridal side, the event side, the weddings part and the ramp walk? क्योंकि शायद जैसे मूवीज में हमने फैशन मूवी भी देखी है कि बैक एंड जो बिहाइंड द सीन्स देखते हैं, इट्स लाइक यू नो रश
Yes.
So how do you manage those things? What exactly it is? क्योंकि लोगों को पता नहीं है
Yes.
क्या होता है, कैसे होता है.
Yes.
Would you like to tell us?
So basically, it is a completely different niche if you, consider
The
it
ramp
from that.
walks.
Yeah. तो actually उसमें क्या होता है कि there are back-to-back changes. There are lots of designer involved. There are lots of ramp walks happening every day. So you have to be very quick enough, very much on the front foot to make sure that the models are getting ready on time. So yeah.
Okay. Super. So now you are in the race of becoming the most successful entrepreneur of not only Pune,
Yeah.
but of India, we can call it.
Yes.
And in some days you'll be going internationals also.
Yeah, hope so.
हमें तो इतना ही आपका प्लान पता है, but
Yeah.
after that इसके बाद क्या है? Do we have something big picture coming from YK?
Definitely yes. I am going to enter into dealership and manufacturing after this because I love products, my makeup, cosmetics and everything. So I definitely dream of owning my own brand or something like that, or creating something different what crowd needs right now. So I'll definitely come with something like that soon.
Super. Great to know that.
Yeah.
और ये भी क्वेश्चन है कि जैसे AI is increasing nowadays, है ना? पहले ऐसा होता था कि सब मैनुअल था, but अभी if you see in every segment, rather in every field, AI has replaced 50% of the things.
Yes.
So are there any chances कि यार ब्यूटी वेलनेस की इंडस्ट्री में भी AI कुछ पार्ट प्ले कर सकता है?
In editing, definitely. There will be lots and lots of edited stuff coming up.
So you want to say कि प्रोफेशनल्स का आगे थोड़ा सा जॉब रिस्क में है?
Yes.
How?
Because this is a service-based thing. This is a service-based business which we do right now. Unless and until we are not going up, unless and until we are not showing up, there is no source of income, or else there is no revenue generation happening. So I think it could be a thread.
या ऐसा हो सकता है कि जैसे अभी हाइड्रा फेशियल्स आर कमिंग अप, लेजर ट्रीटमेंट्स, आई थिंक सो 20 साल पहले कहा था. आई डोंट थिंक सो था. तो यार ऐसा कुछ आ सकता है कि यार आप एक दिन में फ्रॉम 0 to हीरो हो जाओगे, ऐसा हो सकता है?
हो सकता है. Yeah.
क्रेजी ना?
Yes.
माय गुडनेस. जैसे पहले एक मूवीज में बताते थे ड्यूरिंग ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट मूवीज की प्लास्टिक सर्जरी,
Yes.
कि यार इज ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड, इज बिकम यू नो अ डिफरेंट पर्सन ऑल टुगेदर. तो हो सकता है, यू मीन टू से ऐसे.
Yeah.
Crazy stuff. All right. So यशस्वी, बढ़ती कंपटीशन है, lot of competitions going on in every field now, but how do you deal with such things now? Being an entrepreneur, you know, being a youngster,
Yeah.
Gen Z, especially with Gen Z generation, कैसे आप डील करते हो?
See, being an entrepreneur is, the most hardest part than
I know.
building a business itself. And once you make that sort of mindset, once you focus on the clarity, your standards and everything, definitely the competition is just a background noise. I feel like that.
But ऐसा भी होता होगा आपके साथ, just for a case study we'll take this question,
Yeah.
कि you must be having a lot of connection to the industry also.
Yes. Yeah.
तो कि यार because of the pricing you have lost the lead, you have lost the contract,
It happens.
and being a youngster you feel यार थोड़ा बुरा लगता है
Yes.
till the time you are very new into the market.
Yes, yes.
How do you take care of those things?
See, I feel like it is into destiny. The client, those who are made for you, are simply going to find you. And everyone is going to get work. Whatever work God has written into their destiny, they are
They are
going
born to get that
Yes,
work.
they are born to get it. So, yeah.
That's a very nice thought. Yeah.
And if you are giving that much of standards, that much of clarity and professionalism to the client, if you are able to match her needs, it's definitely you are going to close the deal. Yeah.
That's good to learn from you, Ashashri.
Yes, and definitely when I will be having my master classes and when I will be teaching my students, I am going to cover lots of business management things in that, because this is what matters. Because once you have learned the makeup, everyone is a skilled born artist, and you just have to shape them. You just have to make them ready to sustain in this industry and to build their own businesses in this industry. So whenever I will host something like that, I will definitely make sure my students are getting ready to be an entrepreneur in this industry.
Superb.
Yeah.
And that was such a nice thing, learning from you. ये जो आपने बातचीत की है,
Yes.
जो बातें बताई है.
Yes.
That was, an awesome podcast, awesome conversation with you, Yashri.
Yes.
P3 wishes you all the best for your future.
Thank you so
और
much.
जो आपका सपना है, जो साकार हो, and
Yes.
definitely we'll see you on a very bigger stage in the
Yes.
coming days.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Yashri.
Thank you.
One more time.
Thank you. Thank
a big,
you so
big
much.
thank you from P3.
Thank you.
So see you all.